This is for 7 days history. So I've won. I only trade BBAI or Big Bear AI for 7 days, and I've gained $41.83. So I bought this first trade. I bought just only 6 units and one leverage. So I open it at the amount of $3.38 and close it by $3.67, which I got 8 and 56%. This doesn't have any fee. So see, it's zero fee. Below here. There's a zero fee. And then next, it's actually kasabay ng first na pinakita ko sa inyo. Magkasama yan, naiwan lang yung 6 units na yun, kaya hindi siya nasama dito. So, I've invested $240 in Philippine peso. It's $240 multiply. I don't know if it's 58 now, but I'll just invested 13,920 in just how many hours? Yeah, I opened it on May 12, and I forgot to close it because naging busy sa work, and then lagi akong closing. So, pag dumarating ako, pagod na, nakakalimutan ko na mag-open ng account. And then, nung off day ko, tsaka lang ako nakapagbukas. And yes, still up naman siya ng $21.30. Kinlose ko na siya. Okay. So, I still get $21. And now, as you can see, I have this, again, Big Bear AI investment. I trade for how many hours? So I opened this at 10 p.m. and I close it at 1:24 a.m. So it's just almost 3 hours of trading. So in 3 hours, I have earned $18.73. $281 invested. So I invested 16,298. 58. So I've won 1,806 for 3 hours. So this is 3 hours. In 1 hour, I've had 362 pesos doing nothing. So imagine, that's a great passive income. So in 3 hours, I have how much multiplied by 58? So I have 1,086, 18.73. So still 1,040. So 1,040, 53 for 3 hours is not a bad thing, right? So $41.83 in 1 week, 41,083 cents. I have 2,300 here, 2,323 and 82 cents for 1 week. Divide natin for 5 days kasi Saturday and Sunday, I will not gonna add that. So, ang per day ko is 460 for doing nothing. So, kapag off day ko, tsaka lang ako nag-open at nagtitingin ng iti-trade. Dahil meron akong 2 days off day per week, so nakakapag-trade ako. Pero kapag nag-full time na ako, I will make sure na magti-trade ako every day, 5 days a week. So, dito na nagtatapos ang video ko. Hope you like it. Please like naman po dyan and subscribe. Thank you!